pressure exacted by the gas molecule is rho v squared by 3. Rho வந்து mass of the gas molecule by volume of the gas molecule into v squared, இது RMS velocity, இது volume. அப்போ mன்றது n into f by 3 per unit volumeன்றது வச்சுக்கலாம். V is unit volume, volume is constant into RMS velocity square. இது pressure. இப்போ இதான் ஒரிஜினல் pressure. What happened to the new pressure? இதான் question. Number become doubled. 2n மாறிச்சு. Mass மாறல. Velocity also become doubled. N become molecules is half. Sorry. N become half. அப்போ nm by 2 by 3. இந்த இது volume into v வந்து doubled. 2v the whole square is 4v square. இந்த ரெண்டு டேட்டா தான் அடிஷனலா வந்திருக்கு, which is 2 into initial pressure. The new pressure will be 2 times initial pressure is the answer.